For those of you who frequent Galaxyland, in 2017 you may have noticed the removal of one of the rides in the park. The home of the Cosmic Revolution has become vacant. Though the Cosmic Revolution was only the space's most recent occupant, before it, the space was taken up by the Sonic Storm. And going back even further, back to when the park was known as Fantasyland, it was home to the location's original ride, the Disco Dynamo. There's been a lot of buzz surrounding what new ride might be coming to the park, but the mall has been tight-lipped with the news, letting curious fans know to follow their social media account for the big reveal. The construction effort has been immense. Today we can see a giant crane has been brought in to help with the erection of the new ride. Just take a look at the sheer amount of wooden platforms holding up this monstrosity. Not only that, the H.A.V.O.C sled is out of commission. Don't worry, it appears it's only temporary, as its track has had to been removed in order to accommodate the crane, which is surely helping with the heavy lifting. Underneath the adjacent area, a maze of scaffolding has been put up, likely related to the various hydraulics, electronics, and mechanics of the new ride. So, what is the new ride? Based on what we can see regarding what has been erected thus far, and using the signage which the park has put up in that location, we're fairly confident in making a prediction. The new ride, manufactured by Moser Rides, will be Space Trainer, a 40-person advanced thrill ride, which spins on 3 axes. Here it is in action. Of course, these rides are all custom themed and go by different names, but it looks like one heck of a fun ride. Of course, there's still lots of information that can only be given to us from Galaxyland. What will the park's edition of Space Trainer be called? It's fitting that the generic name for the ride actually fits the theme of the park, seeing as nearly all rides, certainly all new rides in Galaxyland, are named with the space theme. I couldn't help but notice the green camouflage style paint job which is everywhere, both on and surrounding the new ride. Could this be a clue to the potential custom theming and name? We can only wait for that information to come out. Until then, at least now we know. I can say on a personal level, it's going to look pretty slick turning and spinning inside that helix section of the H.A.V.O.C sled. And I just can't wait for my space training. What do you think of the new ride? Now that you know what it is, are you excited or disappointed? Do you have any guesses for its name or theme? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And why not check out some of our other videos, all about the greatest indoor show on earth, West Edmonton Mall. Oh, and thanks for watching!